Data collection tools, top list of cutting-edge tools for data excellence. Data collection is the process of gathering, measuring, and analyzing information on variables of interest to answer research questions, test hypotheses, and evaluate outcomes. Many different data collection methodologies are used to collect and analyze the data, and they are developed to use the basic data collection methods.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Data collection methods include interviews, document analysis, observation, group discussions, photography, video, surveys, questionnaires, and case studies. These methods rely on specific tools to collect data effectively. The rise of online resources, electronic media, and the internet has made it easier to gather data through digital tools. In today's data-driven society, data collection plays a critical role. Researchers must carefully identify the types of data and the sources from which they are collected to ensure accuracy and relevance. Importance of data collection. Data collection methods are important in minimizing the possibility of error in decision-making. It helps the researchers identify accurate data and relevant resources. It saves the researcher time and money by providing a deep understanding of the topic. Decision-making enables informed choices by providing reliable data to analyze outcomes and predict future trends. Marketing research helps businesses understand customer preferences, market demands, and competition, leading to more effective marketing strategies. Academic research provides empirical evidence to support hypotheses, leading to more robust conclusions in scholarly work. Artificial intelligence and machine learning fuels algorithms with large amounts of data, improving model accuracy and system learning capabilities. Data warehousing assists in the efficient storage, organization, and retrieval of large datasets to support business intelligence and analytics. It is important to ask 3 questions before collecting the data. I. What is the purpose of data collection tools in research? 2. What kind of data planning and data gathering tools are used? 3. What is the procedure to collect data and process the information? It is possible to break up data into qualitative and quantitative types. Qualitative data works for descriptions such as color, size, quality, and appearance. Quantitative data works for numbers such as statistics, whole numbers, percentages, etc. There are certain steps in data collection methods. Ensure research questions are clearly defined and followed. Minimize errors in the final output by using reliable tools. Minimize the risk of errors in decision-making. Make decisions with exact data. Saves the researchers time and funds. Provide evidence to support new ideas and innovations. Advantages of data collection. There are many advantages to data collection that work for surveys, focus groups, interviews, archival data, and observations. 1. Surveys. The basic requirements of a survey are knowledge, attitude, intentions, and behaviors. Advantages. Ballot box with checkmark. It uses a fast and economical way to gather information for a large number of people. Ballot box with checkmark. It is compatible with the administrator in the survey. Ballot box with checkmark. It is used to analyze whether the survey is related. 2. Focus groups. The basic requirements of focus groups are attitude, opinions, and interpretations. Advantages. Ballot box with checkmark. A focus group helps to receive in-depth information. Ballot box with checkmark. Discussion among a diverse group of members leads to information and insight. Ballot box with checkmark. It helps to lower the cost and the time required. 3. Interviews. The basic requirements of the interview are attitude, opinion, interpretations, motives, and experiences. Advantages: ballot box with checkmark interviews can help you gather detailed information. Ballot box with checkmark participants might disclose information and details that are not talked about in the survey in group focus. 4. Archival data. Archival data works by using three elements: service utilization, fidelity to protocols, and behaviors. Advantages: ballot box with checkmark archival data monitors actual behavior and patient care. Ballot box with checkmark, there are no scheduling issues, and consent is often not required. 5. Observations. The main element of observation is fidelity to protocols, behaviors, and environments. Advantages: ballot box with checkmark, it records actual behaviors versus self-reported ones. Ballot box with checkmark, it interacts between individuals and their physical and social settings. 6. Experiments. Experiments involve manipulating variables to study cause and effect relationships in controlled environments. Advantages: ballot box with checkmark allows for high control over variables and conditions. Ballot box with checkmark provides concrete evidence of causal relationships.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.